ZHULIAN Drip Coffee. Enjoy authentic coffee taste everywhere. At ZHULIAN, coffee roasting is a mixture of art and science. It requires precision, expertise and passion. Revolutionary ZHULIAN Drip Coffee is made of 100% Arabica beans. We use only the best Arabica coffee beans, imported from Africa and South America. All the beans brought into our plant will go through sieving process to remove all the impurities. The coffee beans are roasted to perfection with the precise temperature and duration. During the roasting process, the coffee is undergoing an endothermic process of absorbing heat. Popping sounds can be heard during roasting process. This is an exothermic expansion in which the coffee bean lightens and expands in size, similar to popcorn. The coffee beans are going through destoning process to be cleared from the soil, tiny stones and any other unwanted materials. ZHULIAN Drip Coffee has two types of roasting profiles: medium roast, Ethiopia blend; dark roast, Colombia blend. The premium quality coffee beans are ground into precise ground texture that aims for balanced extraction of taste and aroma to exudes a coffee flavor that is rich and well-rounded. Filling is a process where coffee powder are filled into the convenient drip bags. Each individual drip bag is sealed into sachet with modified atmosphere packaging system to preserve its freshness and original flavor. Sachets are packed into boxes, then into cartons. Eventually end up in a perfect cup of authentic coffee. ZHULIAN Drip Coffee. Enjoy authentic coffee taste everywhere.